Credits to the creators. Get ready to be inspired by the ultimate hair and nail art destination, Randy D. Locks and Nails channel on YouTube. This incredible channel is a treasure trove of creativity, showcasing the talented artist's stunning works from the salon. From mesmerizing dreadlock styles to breathtaking nail art designs, every video is a masterpiece that will leave you in awe. Randy's channel is more than just a showcase. It's a community where hair and nail enthusiasts come together to share ideas, learn from each other, and get exclusive tips from the experts. Whether you're a hair or nail artist yourself, or just looking for inspiration, this channel has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Randy D. Locks and Nails channel today and indulge in the world of beauty and creativity. Randy D. Locks and Nails channel on YouTube is a true gem for anyone passionate about hair and nail art. This channel is a vibrant showcase of creativity, talent and expertise, featuring the stunning works of artists from the salon. From dreadlocks to nail designs, every video is a masterpiece that will inspire and delight you. The channel's energy is infectious, and the community is warm and welcoming. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, Randy D. Locks and Nails channel is a must subscribe for anyone looking for inspiration, tips, and a healthy dose of creativity. Feel free to modify it as needed to fit your tone and style. Hashtag Randy's Locks and Nails, hashtag hair and nail art, #salon inspiration. Please follow our platforms on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok.